So you started or you want to start performing reality checks, but you're wondering how it is that you can actually get those reality checks to carry over from waking life into a dream and be performed there, getting you lucid. Today I'm going to explain exactly how that's possible so that you can use reality checks to have your next lucid dream. So first of all, I need to clear up a potential misunderstanding here. You are not doing reality checks during the day to practice so that you do them in a lucid dream. It's true that performing reality checks throughout the day makes you more likely to then do them in a dream just by the law of repetition and the fact that anything you do often enough has a good chance of appearing in those dreams. But you really do reality checks to find out if you are dreaming right now. The reason this distinction is important is because if you just see reality checks as practice, then you just see them as something that you do during the day. And it might sound weird, but because you subconsciously know that you're dreaming when you're dreaming, you might just not think to perform reality checks because they're just something that you do during the day. But this isn't the only problem with this approach. The other problem with this approach is that if you're just practicing those reality checks in the day, then when you do them in a dream, you're going to think that you're just practicing as well. You see, dreams are deceiving like that. Right now, how certain are you that you're awake? Probably 100%, right? Well, when you're in a dream, most of the time you are 100% certain that you're awake as well. It feels just as real, it feels just as certain. So when you go to practice that reality check, that's all you're doing. You're just practicing it. You're just going through the motions. Let's say you go to breathe through your closed nose, you put your fingers on your nose, you do the breathing thing, and you're not really thinking about it because you know that you're awake, which is not true, you're actually dreaming, but you're so certain that you're awake that you're not actually looking to see what the result of the experiment is, you're just practicing the motion. And so you do this, you close your nose, you try to breathe through it, and lo and behold, you do breathe through it, but you don't even notice because, it's just practice. So it is vitally important that when you do each reality check, you remind yourself of the fact that you could be dreaming right now. It doesn't matter how certain you are that you're awake. It doesn't matter how much of your day you remember and how certain you are that you're just sitting down to practice this reality check. You could be dreaming right now. You could be dreaming right this minute while you're watching this, thinking, being so certain that you're awake, and then you do a reality check and you find out that you're dreaming. To truly start doing reality checks in your dreams, and for them to actually work when you do them, you need to constantly be questioning whether or not you're dreaming right now, and also looking for any signs that something is off about your day-to-day experiences. When you have something strange or unexplained happen, whether it's some kind of paranormal experience or a glitch in the matrix type experience or whatever, or anything like that, it could just be a coincidence, there could be some other explanation for it, but this is often a good time to look at the possibility that you might be dreaming right now. Sometimes it really is as simple as if the day seems weird and almost like you're in a dream, you actually are. Other times though, it's not going to be that simple. Your day is going to seem to be going perfectly normally, and if there is anything weird going on, you're just going to be too oblivious to notice it. And this is where that habit of just regularly asking yourself, could I be dreaming right now, and actually doing a check and taking it seriously is important. So really, if you want to start doing reality checks in your dreams, it's this simple. Do them regularly throughout the day, but each time genuinely ask yourself, am I dreaming right now? Never practice reality checks. Always take them seriously. And when anything seems weird or off, take that as an extra opportunity to do a reality check and see if you could be dreaming right now. If you keep doing this consistently, then once asking yourself if you're dreaming and doing those checks becomes a real genuine habit, then you are going to be asking yourself all of the time. You're going to be asking yourself in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and also in the night when you're asleep. And that is how you perform reality checks in your dreams. Now, if you'd like some specific reality checks to perform, I highly recommend searching for reality checks on my channel, as I have tons of videos on the subject. And if you want to really master lucid dreaming, check out the Lucid Dream book, my complete guide to lucid dreaming, which you can find a link for in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable all notifications so you can stay up to date when my new videos come out. And if you want to keep watching right now, check out one of those videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you there soon. Take care.